Hi and welcome, and let's see in this video how to monitor files, so that means and directories for changes. So in this case I'm using on Commander Pro file manager that you can download here for Windows, macOS and Linux, and part of the tutorial it's going to provide me with some files and directory and some exercise to show you how to monitor files. So let me zoom in with the Ctrl mouse wheel and let's go. So in this case let's select one file and one directory for change. So I'm gonna select this file and this directory, and if I go here and go monitor for change, it's gonna show me with a special window that will monitor the files. You can use Shift F12 to put it like always on top. So if I do Shift F12, you see it's always on top. Now let's go to modify a file. So let's go to this file that I selected and just do editor. I can edit it, then save it. And you see that it's gonna show me that this file has been modified. Now I can also, what I can do is move it to the directory. So let's go there and move it, and you see that now it has been one event that the file has been removed from the directory from this case, and that the also file has been added to the directory. So in this case it's monitoring of the file, and here it's monitoring of the directory. So what you can even do is Ctrl Shift F12. So if I do Ctrl Shift, you see now I've even more minimized, and I can even use Shift Alt and then the mouse if I want to drag it to somewhere else, for example, and I can use the mouse wheels if I want to make it like more transparent. So you see now it's more transparent, and again move it so you can and if you want to go back you do Ctrl Shift F12, and then it's gonna come back to a normal Windows again. Okay, so that's it for monitoring files and directory using on Commander Pro File Manager. Thank you for watching. If you have any comments, put them in the comments below, and don't forget to like and share if you like this video, and see you on the next video. Bye.